Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Mrs. Imtiaz Iftihar from Multan Public School and College, your Islamiyat teacher. Dear students, today we are going to study a new unit, that is unit number 4. It is about Quran and Ahadith. And before starting the selected hadith, I will tell you the meanings of hadith. Dear student, the saying of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is called hadith. It can be an action of him called sunnah. And after the teachings of the Holy Quran, the hadith and Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam are the major source of guidance for Muslims. And the plural of hadith is ahadith. Dear students, the selected hadith today is hadith number 2. It is khairun nasi mayyanfaun nas. In English, it means the best among people is the one who benefits others. And the meanings contained in hadith are, as you see on the screen, it is an explanation, and I read it. Islam is another name for good intentions and good wishes for all. Islam teaches us to think good about others, to wish good about others. हमें दूसरों के बारे में अच्छा सोचना चाहिए और अच्छे ख्यालात रखने चाहिए उनके बारे में, और उनके लिए अच्छी ख्वाहिशात का मतलब इजहार भी करना चाहिए और अच्छी ख्वाहिशात रखनी भी चाहिए. The performance of good deeds to help others beings is the message of Islam. Islam teaches us to think good about others, to do good about others, and to help each other at the time of need. The person who benefits others in any way by use of his tongue, hands, wealth, or actions is loved by Allah the Almighty. अगर कोई इंसान अपनी ज़ुबान से किसी के लिए पोलाइट वर्ड्स बोलना, दुख के वक्त किसी को तसल्ली के अल्फाज बोलना, या किसी के लिए दुआ करना, या किसी को मुसीबत के वक्त कोई अच्छा मशवरा देना, या अपने हाथ से कोई काम करके इसकी हेल्प करना, चैरिटी करना, या इसके अलावा कोई और अच्छा अमल करता है, तो अल्लाह पाक जो है उसको बहुत पसंद करते हैं और वो अल्लाह का दोस्त बन जाता है, क्योंकि वो अपने जो साथी इंसान होते हैं, जो हमारे इस्लामी भाई होते हैं, उनकी वो हेल्प करता है. तो अल्लाह लाइक्स इट वेरी मच टू थिंक गुड अबाउट अदर्स, टू विश गुड अबाउट अदर्स, एंड टू डू गुड अबाउट अदर्स, टू हेल्प ईच अदर एट द टाइम ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी, एट द टाइम ऑफ नीड. Here are few examples how you can help, how you can be beneficial for your society, for your fellow human beings. Dear, by planting trees, by growing trees, there are a lot of benefits of trees. The most basic thing, they are the factories of producing oxygen. They give us fruit, they give us good sights to look at, they are beautiful to look at. They provide greenery to the environment. They provide with wood also. They are the homes of birds and many other animals, helping those who need our help. The disabled people or special people, we can contribute something good in society. We can be beneficial by helping the people who have some mental or physical disability, by looking after birds, by looking after pets, by looking after cattle. Providing with water and grains to birds is also a very, very amazing deed. Dear, you can help each other. Even though you are small, you are very young, but you are in a position to help others. So please try to understand each and every word from this hadith, and then try to practice it in your daily life, and it's very easy. You can do it in your daily life. Hazrat Umar Farooq, he had been a very good ruler. He ruled almost 32 countries during his caliphates. Even then, he was very close to the people of his society. He used to uh, go on patrolling during night to be aware of the conditions of the people of his time, and at times of need he personally used to go to their homes to help them at time of their difficulties and need. How can we benefit others? Means you people. Look, charity begins at home. Start from your home. You can help your mom in many ways. You can help your siblings. Even you can help those who are at your home, the poor people who serves you at home, your servants. You can look after them. You can help them in many ways. At school, you can help, yeah, your class fellows and other boys around. How? By lending and sharing your things, your notes, by helping them to understand the difficult concepts of maths and English and so on. And at times, if someone is feeling not feeling not well, feeling sick or weak, you may carry the bags also while going to your buses. You can even share your lunch at times when someone is hungry and he is not able to manage his lunch on that. These are very small things, but they will please others very much, and Allah will be very happy with you people. And at public places, while playing in parks, while moving around in the marketplaces, you can help others. You can be very beneficial for others. And at suppose, for example, in parks, at swings, you should not push each other and try to take your turn first. You must take wait for your turn peacefully and let others play first, and include more and more people in your games so they can enjoy with you. I hope you will try to understand it well, and you will try to make all these good things a part of your daily habits. Good luck, dear students. Have a nice day ahead.